Hello, good morning, evening, afternoon, night, wherever you reside on this amazing planet. I'm Tim Cooper, and if you have a problem with bugs, blemishes, or looking for a nice natural wood polish, hang around because I've got this amazing essential oil to talk about. Now, full disclosure, this is an oil that I really personally haven't used. And I mean, when there are so many oils available out there, generally, like you get your favorites, like you get your go-to oils, and then you have your occasional oils. So say if you need support at specific times of year or with specific health challenges, you've got those oils on hand. And then of course there's just oils that just don't come into scope. Or the point is that there are other oils. There's a lot of crossover when it comes to what you can use oils for. So sometimes you can just get the same sort of support, or one oil will work better for you than another oil anyway. So today I'm talking about an oil that I personally haven't used, but it was requested that we talk about some of the uses for it, and it is called Arborvitae. And I thanks to Jody for sending me some videos so I could work out exactly how to pronounce that. Now, once again, if you want to sample any of the oils that I talk about, or any of the oils I haven't spoken about yet, I do encourage you to request some free samples. This is available to you if you live in Australia and you want to experience these amazing essential oils. Go to samples.pureessentials.store and request your free samples. We'll get in contact with you, work out what you want to achieve through the use of the oils, and then we will send you the appropriate samples. Okay, we're not just going to send out just a blanket oil. Okay, we want to make sure that the oil best supports you in whatever you're trying to achieve. Okay, so please pop across to samples.pureessentials.store and request your free samples today. Okay, so Arborvitae from the red cedar. Now, this is an oil that is not used internally. Okay, so this is purely a topical and aromatic application. So let's start with bugs. So this is a natural insect repellent. So you can diffuse it. So you can put it in a diffuser and put it up there to repel the bugs. You can put it on your wrists and your ankles when you're out hiking, or when you're out in the outdoors and the insects are starting to annoy you a bit. It's a natural repellent. This is an amazing thing when it comes to essential oils, is that when you see where the oils come from, what part of the plant they come from, you can sort of work out how they're going to help you as well, because the oils are actually a protective mechanism inside the plant, because the plants get attacked by external forces all the time too. So their defense system is the essential oils, and where the essential oils come from, where they're extracted, is a very good indication or a guide as to how they're going to help us. Okay, some people say that essential oils are the lifeblood of a plant. That's not really accurate. No, essential oils are more like the immune system of the plant. Okay, the protection system of the plant. And so in this case, where the oil comes from, it's actually protecting the tree against attacks from insects and that sort of stuff. And so that's how it helps us, because it was naturally repelled. By the same token, we're talking about bugs. We're talking about repelling bugs for ourselves, either diffusing or putting it topically on our skin to repel bugs when we're out and about. The other thing that you can do is you actually use it in your garden. Now, sometimes we talk about companion planting and how you can sort of plant different things together, and the different properties of those plants will repel the bugs and insects to protect the other plants, right? So the same deal here is that you can actually use the Arborvitae in your mulch and that sort of stuff to once again enrich the soil, but also to help against the attack of bugs and insects. So that's that. Okay, now the other thing too is it's a very protective type of oil. So you can use it on surfaces. It does purify the air as well. So once again, you can put it into a diffuser, or you can put it into a spray bottle. Just dilute it into a spray bottle, spray it around to help cleanse areas and cleanse the air. You can add it to other essential oils to make a natural wood polish. Okay, so if you want to use just a natural polish, like to clean and polish wood, I think the recipe is a couple of drops of Arborvitae, some lemon in some fractionated coconut oil, and you're going to get a nice natural wood polish that probably isn't going to smell and give you headaches like a lot of these chemicals do. Okay, and once again, non-toxic. And of course, now we talk about the skin. So once again, I haven't used it, but apparently it can help and may help reduce skin blemishes and that sort of stuff. I'm just going to refer to my notes to make sure that I've covered most things. Okay, so yeah, so basically it says it does promote pure, clean skin, because once again, well, I suppose it comes to that the purification and the cleansing thing. So when you apply it to your skin, it will help to cleanse it, clear it, and once again reduce those blemishes. You can mix it with some other nice oils, because it does have that nice, because it's from the red cedar, it does have that nice earthy, woody aroma. So you can mix it with other nice earthy, woody aromas to make up your own cologne. It's always nice, once again, to put natural stuff on versus the chemicals. Okay, so lots and lots of applications there. Because it has that nice earthy, woody smell, you can use it as a grounding oil. So you can apply it topically just to give you that nice sense of grounding. You could use it if you're meditating and that sort of stuff. So a really, really good oil, but once again, this is purely a topical or aromatic application. Okay, we don't recommend any sort of internal use there. Okay, so if you find this information useful, please like, share, and comment. And yeah, if you think that somebody could benefit from this, please tag them in. Please share this information with them, because I said we know that essential oils are safer, cheaper, and oftentimes more effective than over-the-counter options. And so for those of us who are concerned about the side effects or other outcomes of long-term use of pharmaceuticals, this will give us alternatives. Okay, so once again, as I said, any questions that you have, general stuff, please put it in the comments below. If you want me to talk about a specific oil, once again, please request it, put it in the comments below. But anything more specific, if you want to chat more about on a more specific level, please reach out to me at m.me/Tim Cooper Health. I'll be happy to talk to you, assist you, talk about your options, talk about your health challenges, and what you may be able to do to help support those things naturally, using the alternative methods like essential oils and so forth. Okay, so that's it, short and sweet for the day. Arborvitae, an amazing grounding, beautiful oil that is actually called the Tree of Life, red cedar oil, and once again, great if you're around that time of year where there's lots of bugs around, great for the skin, and also great for a natural wood polish. How about that? Okay, once again, please like, share, and comment, and yeah, I'll be back tomorrow with another essential oil to talk about. Okay, until then, you take care.